Nous considérons Sogea Satom comme une entreprise africaine. Sogea se permet d'offrir un groupement avec des entreprises locales, ce qui fait qu'il y a une relation proche avec le continent.
I think we're in the space to be able to work even closer with HEB and to not just share as partners in a contract, but actually to bring HEB into the office space and share offices in a true partnering contract and work together from that space.
Nofrayan est une société non commerciale qui a une implantation locale très forte.
C'est une société de longue date qui a déjà prouvé ses capacités au niveau des projets déjà exécutés au sein de notre pays.
We were looking actually for a locally experienced partner. It was important to us to have a contractor working on our first project who is really experienced in the local market. That was something that was missing in our case because we were completely new investors in Poland.
Il y a une confiance sur la structure et les hommes, parce que c'est beaucoup une question d'hommes. Il faut des hommes qui connaissent le terrain, qui connaissent les gens avec lesquels ils travaillent, y compris au sein de la boîte, qui connaissent la filière bois, qui connaissent tous les mécanismes guyanais, qui ne sont pas simples.
The French have a culture of associating with people, and when you visit a site under the French company, you see a lot of social people are very engaged and they integrate very fast.
Derrière toutes les structures, il y a des hommes. Et il peut y avoir des problèmes s'il n'y a pas la qualité humaine derrière.
Bon, en fait, venir des expatriés, c'est aussi important puisque les gens de l'extérieur ont des expertises que le Burundi n'en dispose pas. Dire que tantôt, il faut les combiner les deux.
That agile, dynamic space that we work in, we're all looking to do things a little bit different. And we've got to be agile and meet the changing demands of our communities out there. And they're demanding more and more on a daily level and doing things differently. So, yep, gone are the days of tradition.
Ce que nous apprécions pour Sogea Satom, c'est que le personnel expatrié ne sont pas nombreux. Ils préfèrent confier le travail au personnel national.
On essaye un maximum de valoriser les gens qui sont originaires des territoires où on travaille.
Every day, they teach me something and I teach them something. It's like an opportunity for me to learn and as well for them. So it's a win-win situation.
You share some of your profits and give it back to the countries where you made your profit. And help there to build up something which is sustainable. I think it is a very good move.
Les accompagner dans le développement de leurs micro-entreprises, c'est très intéressant et c'est toujours intéressant de partager ces moments de joie avec des villageois.
Working with Sogea is fine. Yeah, there is confidence.
Cette implantation et la durée d'ailleurs de l'implantation a permis de créer un véritable climat de confiance entre Nofrayan et l'ensemble des maîtres d'ouvrage du territoire.
Ils savent mettre la force de frappe au moment voulu, quand il y a besoin, parce qu'ils respectent leurs engagements.
On a besoin que des entreprises comme CBCI, qui sont adossées à des groupes importants, amènent toute la puissance du groupe pour justement être extrêmement innovants.
Więc my musimy też jako właściciele mieć pewność, że ten projekt zostanie do końca sfinansowany, że to zostanie wybudowany i że z nami stoi partner, który ma bardzo duże zaplecze finansowe. Więc to jest bardzo duży plus.
That one gives us more confidence about Sogea Satom. Because if you have a bigger company which is overseeing, they have the top class of staff for the project. You give them assignments, they execute assignments, you get certificates, you approve. You don't have stress because they have financial muscle to support their activities in the project.
Through Vinci, Warburg has probably gained additional resources, so potential of resources, which helps them in very complicated tenders as Skyliner was, for example.
If the contractor doesn't have the competence, this is a permanent fight with the contractor, because you have to give more or less technical assistance to the contractor and have to organize him. This is not the way with Sogea, and this is why I like to work with him.
I teraz warto mieć po drugiej stronie partnera, który traktuje tę budowę tak samo, z taką samą pasją jak my jako właściciel. I właśnie to jest to, co Warburg w sobie ma.
La volonté de se retrousser les manches et de sortir des projets dont on est fier, quoi.
I see very good this combination of Warburg being member of a very large group with all the backing they have. But for us, Warburg is still a Polish contractor. And that's exactly this local expertise that we are looking for.
Why I like to work with Sogea is because they have a very good technical competence. They don't say, oh, this is Africa, it doesn't need high competence, and oh, we can bring second-class people here to save money. No, you get really the high tech and the very well educated and trained and experienced people here on the project.
It's a big worldwide player. That's entered the New Zealand market with HEB, and that can only be positive for HEB. It'll bring them up, it'll upskill, and it'll bring a whole different way of doing things from a different cultural background where Vinci are working around the world.